Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming both controllers are fully charged and paired via USB, so they register before wireless handoff. Once done, sign into two separate PSN profiles on the Ps5 because Bo6 assigns player slots by profile. Make sure the console firmware and the game itself are updated. Patches often fix split-screen bugs, so don't skip the update check. Then, disconnect extra USB devices that might interfere and place controllers on the home screen, so the game sees both inputs immediately. You then launch Black Ops 6 from the primary account and wait for the main menu to be fully responsive so the split-screen option appears reliably. Once the menu is ready, navigate to multiplayer and select local or split screen. The game displays prompts. Press the shown button on controller 2 to join. After player 2 is detected, assign controllers explicitly and verify each player's loadout and team. Make sure to use the local lobby, rather than online invites to avoid matchmaking conflicts. You finally start a local match and immediately check split orientation and HUD scaling and options so both views are comfortable. Adjust brightness or HUD size if elements overlap. If player 2 fails to join, reconnect that controller via USB and press the PS button, then restart the game. Often a quick repair solves it. If problems persist, rebuild the Ps5 database or reinstall Bo6 as a last resort because corrupted files commonly block split-screen functionality. And that
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.